News Telugu.
కొంచెం అలా
Our actual concession agreement, we are planning to complete it by December 2026, but we were targeting to complete it in 30 months. But we have the whole design and everything has been considered to be a major hub for all the 5 to 6 districts here. We have engaged a Nippon Koei, a Japanese company, to actually take the highway and also in the national highway. We shared it with the Honorable Road because the whole area got really developed because of the connectivity that has been made reaching to the various parts of the city. So with that concept, one Bhimili highway, MRTH is looking for a letter from the government of AP. So
expanded in 12 places, and NHA has to develop this underwater overpass. This is very difficult to start the project when you operation. Very important, sir. And as I told you last season, and also we can see what the report is ready, sir. We are on to submit you, sir. That gives us very clearly we can get more outfalls to this airport, sir. And also the airport directly, which I showed you, sir, in the system. Another important thing, sir. Trying that can settle, and another 8.7 acre state government has to acquire.
So basically, sir, over 50 crores amount each land konali, sir.
To decongest the present NH16, what is it? NH has to be decongested. So, sir, if you look at this point, out of the 12, what to do underpass, what to do above the ground has been defined, sir. All these belongs to national highways. Initially
Padmavati, what will you were the minister at that time? I was a member of parliament. It had reached. Now, if that can happen, this will be supplemented. It's not a very expensive, revitalized and done permanently, sir. We have Nagavali River water also available to this scheme. My concerns were with regard to the 500 acres that the previous government deleted from this scheme. The economics of the project. That aside, what we need to probably try and see is the MRO angle of it. If there is some way, now if this could be planned in such a way where it can be increased, local employment can go up. I'm sure waste.
30th June 26th, now onwards how many months?
This project
Date for completion and inauguration date also from now onwards we have to fix.
absolutely.
Then work backward integration. Even all departments will align accordingly. Even Chief Secretary from Government of India side, head the coordination committees, civil aviation plus airport authority, everybody will align.
Okay, sir.
Even our minister will, both ministers, state level is looking after investments, and at central level, central ministry there. Both of them will coordinate. We have to go very clearly, specific dates without anything.
Done, sir. Very good. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
భవిష్యత్తులో పెద్ద ఎత్తున పెరగబోయే నగరం ఈ ఎయిర్పోర్ట్తో విశాఖపట్నం విజయనగరం కలిసిపోతుంది. ఇక్కడి నుంచి శ్రీకాకుళం కూడా కలిసే అవకాశం ఉంది. ఎందుకంటే శ్రీకాకుళం 50 కిలోమీటర్లు, విశాఖపట్నం 50 కిలోమీటర్లు. ఆ సెంటర్లో ఈ ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ వస్తూ ఉంది. అదే మరిగా ఫేజ్ 1లో బీచ్ రోడ్ భోగాపురం వరకు ఏదైతే బీచ్ రోడ్ ఉందో అది కానీ మనం వేసుకుంటే, ఫేజ్ 2లో ఇంకొక 50 కిలోమీటర్లు శ్రీకాకుళం, ఫేజ్ 3లో ఇలాంటి కంటిన్యూగా కూడా మూలపేట పోర్ట్ వరకు వేసుకుంటే, మూలపేట నుంచి ఒక పేరలల్ హైవే వచ్చి బీచ్ రోడ్ వచ్చి, ఇప్పుడుండే ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ హైవే ఈ హైవే కానీ కలిపేయగలిగితే మధ్యలో కొన్ని కనెక్టివిటీ పెట్టుకుంటే వన్ ఆఫ్ ది బెస్ట్ ప్లేస్ అవుతుంది ఇండస్ట్రియలైజేషన్కి. నోవేర్ నో ప్లేస్ కెన్ బీట్ దిస్. ఇది నాకు ఒక కళ, ఎప్పటి నుంచో మాట్లాడుతున్నా. అది ఇప్పుడు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసే పరిస్థితి వచ్చింది.